When called upon, your sacrifice to serve your nation, that your children excelled in examination. We ran through trial and error. We were not only because during the acts of these evil proponents that you will not make history.
We love you and we miss you. We treasure all the amazing things you did for us individually, and we cherish all the good times we shared together. We wish we could spend more days. We wish we could spend more years with you, but unfortunately, all good things come to an end.
Thank you all for joining. Mom loved you all as we loved her. Somehow, I have so much peace because Mom was always praying. She was an amazing mom and daughter and wife and grandma. I will miss her dearly.
There are many cliches out there about mothers-in-law, and a lot of you, I'm sure, know them. But her mother-in-law was in a class of her own. A mother-in-law anyone would love to have. And I can see Paul and Josephine nodding in agreement. She was so gracious, loving and gentle, even when provoked. Thank you for blessing me with a wonderful wife who takes after you. Gimayu Magamotwine. I believe even her tribute is testament to this. Fare thee well. Rest in peace, Mom and Pop.